Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can simply change your picture, your YouTube channel picture in YouTube. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you want to be in a dashboard. Let's click here on view channel on YouTube. I have a photo here. You can like edit profile picture, it will appear here. Edit. Now the simple thing you want to do is just click change here, save photo, and I don't know, like I have Baby Yoda here that I could probably use, and voila, I would just take this and I would got it. Also, you can choose whatever, like I have this here from vacation. That was really good holidays. I could use that too, and then you can just click save and you got it. So this is from when I was working in the sales job and I was pretty good. And this is my dog. Doggy, 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 doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. So this is how you can change the picture, for your YouTube channel. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.